Maci and Abel's vision. And my vision too. Today we're going to make cookies. So we have flour, water, and butter, and oil, I think. So Abel, you pour this in. It's okay. Oh! It's okay. Oh! It's okay. Oh! Alright, Abel, get that thing that you just accidentally dropped. Give him. Alright?
I followed.
Right, now take one whole scoop. This one? Yep, take a whole scoop. No, you need the large one. The large one. Right, now scoop. Now just scoop one oil. Alright, that's enough. And now my turn. Alright, we're doing butter. Right, Abel? Yeah. The butter's hanging. There we go. Next is the egg. So wow, look at little butter. All right, and now it's stirring time. I'll let my brother go second. Can I go? No, I didn't get a turn. Oops! Wow. Oops! Wow. Sorry. Crushed the butter up. I like licking the butter. Ew. I like it. Let me get a good one. Now it's Abel's turn. Okay. Stay in the lines, okay? Wow. Come on, Abel, keep stirring. Abel, stop. Just stop. That is yucky. All right, I think we're done mixing. Now we're going to make our snickerdoodle cookies. Let me get some off this. Now we're going to make our snickerdoodles. So we've got to get a chunk of it. All right, shape it into a little ball. Snickerdoodles. All right.
Ew.
All right, now let's put them in here.
I don't like snickerdoodles.
Ew. All right, now let's pour some on it. We got to get
noodles.
Oops.
I don't like snickerdoodles.
All right, now we're going to put it right here in line. And make sure you don't get them too close, because when they flatten, they will get attached. So we're just going to grab it each time. Now we've got to do the last one. So I'm going to teach you how. So first you got to scoop one piece of dough up. All right? And then you got to dip it in some cinnamon.
It's going to be
and then make sure it gets nice and cinnamony, because there's
there.
All right, let's put the last one here. All right, now they're done. But make sure when you put these in the oven, you gotta put them in the oven. And make sure you have an adult. So make sure, because you're gonna burn yourself. You might even get hurt. You would have to go to the hospital. So you're gonna have to let a grown-up do this. You're going to be burned. I'm being serious now, so you have to, okay, everyone? So now we're gonna put this in the oven, and my mom is gonna put them in. All right, now she's gonna put them in the oven, and still make sure that. And there goes our slurpadoodles.
Hi, Mom.
All right. Now I'm gonna set a timer for 5 minutes for our slurpadoodles. Hey Ziggy, Hey Ziggy, put it on 5 minutes.
Second timer, 5 minutes, starting now.
All right, now we just gotta. All right, now my mom's gonna take them out of the oven. Oh, those smell good. I bet they're ready to be baked. And I let my mom help me, which is important. Right, now my brother gets to eat one, but we first gotta let them cool down. And then I can eat them with my brother. I can punch. Go good. And I can even punch people. Last one. Oh no, I hate cookies. And 10. There. Oh, Did you want more from me? Ow. This is my last favorite part. Washing the dishes.
Repair. Do it. I said repair. Repair.
Alright?
You think I'm water?
Now we gotta put this on.
Mommy, I need to wash this one.
Alright, now I gotta clean this thing out a little. Now clean this.
Yeah, I want you to wash this one. I say I want you to wash
Second thing.
Why are you not washing this bowl?
That's the last thing because it's really good.
I think so big. Oh yeah, because it has some stuff in it.
Whatever, you still might need a grown up with this too. Even though there's nothing dangerous, you still might want some help. Because it's alright. Now the cookies are finally done. We gotta take them to the party. Alright, now we're going to the party. Yeah, our delicious cookies.
Yeah, this is plastic.
Yep, so the cookies don't get raw. Abel can hold them during the ride for now.
Mommy, make some.
You like cookies? Yeah, they're my favorite. Yummy yum. They're in my belly, Tums. Abel, don't open. Finally, we're here with the cookies. Let's pass them out to our neighbors. Let's go pass them out.
Oh my goodness. See, where have you been? Oh, look at you.
My goodness, look at all the
Oh my goodness. Did you make these yourself?
You
Oh,
can grab one.
thank you so much. I think these are my favorites.
Thank you, hon.
That's one Abel did.
Get that one.
You think Abel would want this one back?
Yes.
Okay, we'll save it for Abel.
Now the extra sugary one.
Thank you, honey.
Oh my goodness, they're so good. They're
Thank you.
snickerdoodles, aren't
That's
they?
one.
All right, thank you.
Abel,
Do these have eggs in them?
No.
No? You didn't use eggs? Okay. Just want to make sure. Thank
these are my
you.
favorite, honey.
Do they have chocolate chips? Because I don't like chocolate chips.
No, but
Thank
they're
you.
snickerdoodles. Who doesn't like snickerdoodles?
Oh my goodness, these look delicious. Let me taste.
Thanks for watching our video. This is it. Subscribe. Bye.